Hi, my name is Dr. Rafael Cruz from Kentuckiana Integrative Medicine. We're going to talk about a therapy that not a lot of people know about. Actually, two therapies, IV chelation and IV plaque-X, to reverse heart disease and to reverse peripheral artery disease and even atrial fibrillation. So IV chelation has been regarded as a non-effective and even dangerous therapy, even though at one point, probably in the 50s, it was covered by insurance. Dr. Gervasio Lamas, a Harvard-educated cardiologist, was hired by the National Institute of Health to prove that chelation did or did not work. And his research with over 1,700 patients was extensive and thorough and definitively proved that IV chelation, through the removal of heavy metals from a patient's body with a multivitamin, was extremely effective at reversing heart disease. And we have proved this in this clinic with calcium scores, which have been reduced by 30 to as much as 75%. And even with a cardiac cath report of a gentleman who's a personal friend of mine, Dr. Robert Harris, who had 99%, 95%, and 85% blockage in his three main arteries. And today, 40 years later, his arteries are wide open. So IV chelation is extremely helpful in getting rid of unwanted chest pain and shortness of breath with exertion that results from blockage to the heart's blood vessels, and also from blockage to the arteries that supply blood to the legs. It's called peripheral artery disease, and the pain that you get in the calves is called claudication from poor blood flow and lack of oxygen. The research that Dr. Gervasio Lamas did is extremely compelling, and we're going to be showing that to you briefly. It demonstrates that if a person does 40 infusions of either calcium or sodium EDTA, he did his research with sodium EDTA, IV chelation, 40 infusions, you can reduce your chances of all causes of death by up to 20% if you're not a diabetic for the next 5 years without lifestyle changes. And if you're a diabetic, you can reduce your chances of dying from all causes, heart attack, stroke, blood clots, all causes, by as much as 40% if you're a diabetic. There is nothing in conventional or natural medicine that has the capacity to reduce our chances of dying by those percentages for 5 years without lifestyle changes. Your situation can improve if you're disciplined, and also improve your lifestyle with better eating regimens and exercise. So next, I'm going to show you the graphs of Dr. Gervasio Lamas's research, and we'll show you some drawings that depict how the arteries are being opened up and the before and after. So